Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to Marcus Online Math Session. Last class we discussed about basic geometry such as point, line, line segment, ray, intersecting line, parallel line, perpendicular lines and angles.
It's a geometry activity to join the points using different kinds of lines. Let us now help Monu complete this activity. Monu, in geometry, the dot made with a sharp pencil represents a point. These points do not have a length or breadth. Like you and I, points also have names and they are named using capital letters as shown. Points tell us the locations and joining these points in the alphabetical order will help us complete this activity. Monu now joins points A and B. Look, he drew a part of a line that is bounded by 2 points. And in geometry it is called a line segment. Hence, AB is a line segment. Line segment, when extended infinitely, becomes a line. Like points and line segments, a line also has a name. Usually, lines are named using small letters. Before we go back to our activity, note a line is actually made up of infinite points and these points come so closely to each other to form a line. Look, Monu now completes this activity by joining other points in an alphabetical order as shown. This figure looks like your dog house, isn't it? Monu, this figure actually comprises of many lines. Let me tell you how. Remember, these line segments are a part of lines. Let's now name these lines using small letters. Notice, the lines which are drawn in a top-down manner are called vertical lines. Look, these walls when extended infinitely will become vertical lines. And lines which are drawn in the left to right manner are called horizontal lines. Therefore, the base of the house is a part of a horizontal line. Finally, the slanting lines are called oblique lines. So we can say the roof is a part of a slanting line. Look, Monu, lines are not always straight. We can have curved lines too, like this door of the house. Furthermore, if any two lines cross or intersect each other, then we call it intersecting lines. Look, there are many intersecting lines in our figure. Some lines never intersect. For example, the lines L and N. These never intersecting lines are called parallel lines.
Today we will study about angles in details. Okay, an angle is the figure formed by two rays. Angle is formed at the common end point. An angle is denoted by the symbol. For example, there are two angles, angle ONM and angle PQR. How to write this angle with symbols? Look here, angle ONM, angle PQR. We can read this symbol, angle ONM and angle PQR. The common endpoints of these two angles, N and Q. These points known as vertex of the angle. vertex of the angle. Next, coming to parts of an angle. There are two portions in one angle, which are interior portion and exterior portion. Look the figure. Inside the two rays or arms of the angle, we call interior angle. Outside the angle, we call exterior angle. Here, angle PQR, points C and A are interior sides of the angle, and point K and Y are in exterior side of the angle. Draw the angle PQR and mark two interior points and two exterior points. Okay. Draw this angle and find out all interior and exterior points. Points interior of angle PQR are A, D and F. Point exterior of angle PQR are B and C. Okay. Next topic, comparison of angles. How to compare which of the two angles larger and smaller? Look the figure. Compare these two angles, which is larger. The arms of the first angle open out less than the second angle. So, second angle is bigger than first one. Look this figure, which is bigger. First method cannot be used here. There is very slight difference in these angles. Is it right? So, we use protractor to measure the angles. What is protractor? A protractor is a measuring instrument for measuring angles. We measure and draw an angle with the help of a protractor. We express the measurement of an angle in degrees. Let us begin by learning about the geometric instrument protractor. Number 1. A protractor is used to measure angles. Angles are measured in degrees. Each tiny mark on the protractor shows 1 degree. It has marking from 0 to 180 degrees. We can read 0 degree to 180 degrees from left to right and right to left. While measuring an angle, the central point, this is the central point, is placed on the vertex of the angle. Okay, let us see how to measure an angle. To measure an angle, we need to follow a 4-step process. Students, let us see how to measure an angle using protractor. Listen here. Here, I draw an angle named B. Angle means two rays or lines ending common endpoint. These two lines, ray of this angle, one line is 0 degree. So I put mark 0 over here. Next, how to use protractor for measuring an angle. Look the protractor. There are many lines starting from the center point. This is vertex of angle B. The 0 degree in the bottom line, put the protractor on the 0 degree line of the angle coincide with the protractor. Is it correct? No. Just move back to vertex. Now it is correct. remember two things. This protractor line coincides with line of angle. The point must be exact on vertex. Okay, now we can measure this angle. On a protractor, there are two scales, inner scale and outer scale. Inner scale and outer scale. The bottom line of the angle is 0 degree. So, count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Our angle exactly 50 degree. So, write angle B 50 degree. This small 0 denoted as degree. Next, look another example. Here angle X. Put 0 here. Put the protractor center point on the vertex of the angle. Okay. Count from left or right. From left, because 0 is here. Count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, then 125. 21, 22, 23, 24, 125. So, angle X is equal to 125 degree. One more angle here, angle C. Put the protractor center point on the vertex. 0 degree is where the bottom line of the angle is. Okay. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. 18 or 100. Is it 80 or 100? Inner scale shows 80. So, angle is 80 degree, not 100. Angle C is equal to 80 degree. Next, we have one more angle, angle Z. Put the protractor and count from inner scale. Zero, 10, 20, 30, 30 something. 31, 32, 33 and 34. Not 150. Inner scale shows 34. (31, 32, 33 and 34). So, angle Z is equal to 34 degree. Please note your homework. Page number 146, exercise number 8.1. Question number 1. Using a ruler, measure the length of the following line segment and write in the given box. There are two line segments AB and PQ. Measure the line segment with ruler and write your answer in the columns. Okay. Question number 2. In each of the following figures, name the angles, arms and vertices. First one, B angle BOA, right angle BOA. Second, arms OB and OA, vertex O. Complete B, C and D. Okay. Then turn your page. Question number 3. Name all the angles that are marked in each of the following figures. First one, angle B, angle BOA, angle COD, angle EOD, angle EOC. Okay, complete the question number B. Next, question number 4. Measure the following angles using protractor. Do your all homework and send it to school WhatsApp. Next class, we will discuss types of angles and construction of angles. Okay. Today's class ends here. Thank you.